Hey y'all, what's going on? I'm on here real quick because I had to style my hair before work. So as you can see, my hair is in 2-strand twist and I decided to use space buns to keep it stretched out. I find that when I stretch it out this way, it also gives me a little bit of volume because over the day sometimes the hair does fall a little flat, and let's be honest, I have a love-hate relationship with twists. I usually love them the first few days and then I start hating them afterwards. So I'm always trying to come up with ways to keep the excitement with the hairstyle, okay? So let's get into this video. So before we get started, as you can see, I'm just putting a little bit of concealer on so I'm not looking too tired for the work day. It's just one leg home. Yay me! I had a rough long day yesterday, so I can't wait to go home, and I'm just trying to look a little bit cute. Y'all feel me on that, right? So far, I have been having one heck of a time trying to look halfway decent for work. My twists are playing me. My hair was longer the last time that I used to do these, and I prefer the loose twist style. I don't like them really tight. I love the volume and everything that loose twist offers. But back to the video. So what I'm doing right here is when I need a particular area of my hair or twist to lay a certain direction, sometimes I have to retwist it so that it'll lay to one side versus the other. Because if my hair is pulled back, the twists are going to look pulled back when I take it down. If they're to the side, they're catty corner, you know, it's just looking jaggedy, and I don't like that. So that is why I tend to retwist perfectly looking good twist. Right now, this aloe apple curling custard is like my thing. It has such a strong hold. Also, do not use too much of it because it will kind of give you that weird stringy look. But you just need a little bit of water, and you can use it on dry hair, and it'll give you exactly what you're looking for. But right now, whether it's a wash and goes or twist outs, that is my go-to product, and I love it. So I'm just playing with the pieces of hair, as you can see, retwisting. Basically, I'm retwisting along my hairline because it basically is going to frame my face for this hairstyle. So for me, it just really gives an overall put together look for the hairstyle. It's kind of messy, it's kind of not. I also do this when my hair is out and I twist out, and your hair does kind of have to be in a more stretched style to kind of get this to work. But it is one of my favorites. And like I said, I'm just trying to look half decent for work. So Cami, get it together, girl. So basically this process is making sure that my hairline is looking the way that I want it. I like it to be, you know, get the edges a little bit cute. There I go again, untwisting. It's gotta look right, y'all. Like I said, I was having a day, but these will probably be in my head for about another few days. I'll probably do a takedown twist talking video with you guys in the next few days. So I'll film it when I'm on one of my work layovers. As you can see, I'm not at home, obviously. I still have the same job. If you remember what that job is, post it in the comments down below. Hope you guys have a good day.